What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cassandra. I'm a certified personal trainer and a nutritionist. And today we're gonna be hitting shoulders and triceps. I feel like triceps are probably one of my weakest body parts, so it's definitely something that I should probably train a little bit more often. I'm also gonna be doing a mic'd up workout, so that way I can walk you guys through the exercises themselves, and I'll also display the sets and the reps on the screen for you, so that way when you're going through the workout, you can just glance over at the screen and just follow along and get the most out of this training. I'm so excited to take you guys through it, and if you do want to save this video for your next training session, just hit that thumbs up button, and it will also just save it to your drafts. For this first exercise, we're going to be doing dumbbell shoulder press. We're gonna go ahead and do 4 sets of 10. Start with a lower weight and then increase each set. For this next exercise, we're gonna do lateral raises, 4 sets of 12. Next up, we have some front raises. We're gonna be using the cables for this. We're gonna do 4 sets of 12. Really blast that interior delt. All right, now we have overhead tricep extensions with the cable. We're gonna do 4 sets of 12. Next up, we have a single arm tricep extension. We're gonna go ahead and do 3 sets, 10 reps each arm. All right, go ahead and switch sides. To finish off the workout, we're gonna do single arm tricep kickbacks with the cable. 3 sets of 10 each arm. For today's video. If you enjoyed it and if you want to save it for your next workout, hit that like button, and if you do want to stick around for more future content like this, go ahead and just hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys' support, and I will see you guys in the next video.